I can't do anything dumber. I go and redeem myself. This hog gets 1,000,000 miles to the gallon. Just want to go over with you the stuff I put in my bag. Well, this bag I got from my Sunseekers. I got it from Harbor Freight, $7. Just attached it to my accessory bar. I couldn't see paying $200-300 for a bag that looked just like this. Anyway, it's got plenty of pockets, plenty of storage. If I don't like it, I can use it as a tool bag. It's got this front area here, zips up, 2 different areas, and I can lock this up on there when I'm driving and take it down, open this up, put stuff in here. Got little pockets on both sides, carry my knife in here, my air pump tools. I've got some bungees. I've got the bag here for the sun top. All of it comes apart real quickly, and I can put it in this bag and put the bag in here and not have my top on. Pretty cool. So I want to show you what I put in here. I carry a cheap plastic poncho. These are $1.50, $1.70, something like that at Walmart. There's 2 of them in here. If I get caught out in the rain and it's drenching down, I can put this on and set under my sun top, which is also waterproof, and keep pretty dry down to my knees. So you want to have some kind of rain protection. Put that in your bag. I just carry some kind of insect repellent with DEET. I like deep woods. I just leave it in here year round. Right now I don't need it, but I will. I like the dry touch. I don't like the oily stuff. Put that in here. You'll want to have some sort of first aid kit. This has a lot of stuff in it. Traveling out for people. We'll open this up real quick. Got some safety needles in here. It's got bandage, gauze. It's got gloves. It's got some salve down in here. Sterile compressed gauze, bandages, tweezers. You want to have something. This thing looks big. It's light. It's very light. Get a good one. Get you some stuff. This thing will fold out and you can hang it. You can hang it off my tool bag. You can hang it from the dang sun top. You can hang it on a twig on a tree. You can use it as a triage center if somebody gets hurt. Be prepared. Good setup. We want to put this in here. You get broke down out in the boonies, where I'm going to take this trike, I'm going to go down a bunch of desert trails and gravel roads. If I get broke down out there somewhere and it's cold, I can start a fire. And I'll show you what else I can bring with me as well. Put this in there. Get you some kind of fire starter. Make your own, buy it. This stuff's cheap. I just buy it. There's 2 pieces in here. I'll probably separate it, put one in each trike. I'll put it in a baggie and put it in here. I'm probably not the first one that thought of this, but these pliers are for fishing and they're for setting lead anchors. These are excellent for working on your cables and re-crimping your cable ends. And they have a little pair of cutters here. I like the little hook on the end. You can pull stuff, pull thorns out of your tires. I just like these little setup. They're a couple of bucks at Wally World. Neat little set of pliers. You want these in here. You're gonna want a couple of screwdrivers, Phillips and a straight, whatever length you want to get. I'm gonna take the snubbies to get the things. I'm gonna put these in here. Metric set of Allen wrenches. You want to put these in here. You'll need at least one. I think this is a number 5 Allen wrench for adjusting your brake pad on your disc brakes. It needs to be long enough to reach through the spokes. Comes in from the outside into the inside. We want to put this in here. I'm going to carry a thin set of metric wrenches. What I could do to save weight is I could go fit each one of these to my trike and only take the ones I need. That's probably what I'll do. But you want to have some wrenches with you that you need. At least, I think there's maybe 2 or 3 sizes on here. I'm going to do that. So I just bought the whole kit. It was cheap enough. They're for working on bikes. Of course, everybody's different. You can put in what you want to put in. You could put some stuff up here instead. I'll probably rearrange this. I just wanted to show you what I'm going to be putting in here. At a minimum, I might add stuff like toilet paper for emergency outings, water, food, of course, stuff like that. My camera gear I can carry all back here. I've got a pretty nice sized bag, but this is kind of an off-road vehicle, so I planned it that way. I don't like this bag. It's not like I'm into it for a ton of money. I've got it on sale at Harbor Freight for $7 or $8. It's got like 3 pounds of stuff in there right now. Plenty of room for clothes and dry gear, dry socks, whatever. Depends on where you're going and how long you're going to be out and what you're doing. You even carry an extra battery in there if you wanted. If you wanted to purchase an extra battery. I didn't want the rear rack with the anything on my rear suspension. That's all on sprung weight. You want contact on that back there to stay down. You don't want it up high. So this weight is actually centered to the center of the bike on the seat. I know it looks like it's back, but it's actually hanging and all transferring all of its weight down to the back of the seat. The further to the center the weight is distributed, the better off you are. When you start putting weight back here, this thing is going to make it a little more top heavy. So I'm going to try this system out, see how it comes out. I'm pretty happy with it so far. Next thing I'm going to do is start installing the Miracle mirrors right here to the end of my handlebars. Let me go over and show you how I did them on the TerraTrike before we start. As you can see here, they just go, these Miracle mirrors go right into the end of the handlebar hand grip. So it's pretty simple setup, but they're really good. I like these. They don't vibrate a lot. They're fully adjustable. You can swing them in when you want to put them in your car, that easy. You sit in your bike and you adjust your mirrors. They tilt here and they come in and out. You can mount these in different ways for different handlebar setups. They're really nice. I like them.
Just when I think I can't do anything dumber, I go and redeem myself. This hog gets 1,000,000 miles to the gallon.